is Dr. Jonathan Mainieri. I'm going to talk to you today about how to fix the 30-degree curve if you've lost the curvature in your neck. And it's so important, these curvatures in the spine, okay, you've got these curvatures and you should have a 30-degree curve in the neck, a nice curvature in here. And the reason that's so important to keep those curves is because the weight of our head. The weight of our head is 8 to 10 pounds. It puts pressure all the way down on these discs all day long. If you lose that curvature and it's bent forward, then all the pressure completely changes. Now not distributed amongst the discs and ligaments and tissues. It's now only on the bones and the disc. And what happens over time is it starts to lay down calcium very quickly. So I'm going to just come closer and show you this is what a normal disc should look like right here. Nice healthy disc and vertebrae, and open up those. They have a nice hole for the nerves to come out. What happens if you lose the curvature and you start to build these calcium deposits, they start to lay down over years, it starts to close up those holes. Then you get the pain down the shoulder, down the arm, maybe some tingling and numbness. So we really want to try to prevent that by using a posture block. And that's what we're talking about today, is by using this foam block, this hard foam, laying on it 10 minutes a day, it restores that 30-degree curve, all right? And this block is very inexpensive. There's a link below where you can click and purchase it. You can see what the price is. There's some other companies that sell it for like $60 or $70, so it doesn't have to be that expensive. Ours are very reasonably priced, but if you purchase it, you do want to use this every day, all right, up to 10 minutes. And it's just important to utilize that every day to make those changes in your neck to prevent that degenerative arthritis. Even if you have arthritis, you still can use this, okay? So in the next segment, I'm going to show you how to specifically use the posture block, all right? I'll see you soon. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the posture block. Basically, you want to be laying down on the floor, on a rug, on a harder surface. Place this down on the ground, and you want to lay there. Now, and I'll show you the position. In the beginning, it's kind of like orthotics. If you have ever worn orthotics for your feet, you want to slowly get used to the block. So you don't want to lay on this for 10 minutes right away. So I first have patients maybe lay on it for 2 to 3 minutes for a couple days just to get their neck used to it. Then after that, within 2 weeks, you should be able to get up to 10 minutes, all right? So, but it will take some time. Now you're going to feel some stretching. Some people feel some pain or stiffness in the beginning. Just put some ice on. To make the changes in your neck to get that nice 30-degree curve back, it's going to take some time. It's kind of like braces on a kid's teeth. When they put braces on it takes a few years to change the position of those teeth to realign them. So same thing with your spine, is that your ligaments and tendons and muscles have been in a certain position for a long period of time. It's going to take some time to change that. So use it every day. It's so important to do a daily repetition, just 10 minutes a day. And within a few months, you're going to have less pain, less stiffness. You'll start to see that nice 30-degree curve back in if you had a re-x-ray. But it will take time. It's going to take you doing some homework. But it is a wonderful tool. We've helped thousands of patients. I've seen over 8,000 patients utilizing this, okay? Anyways, you can order the product, this foam block. Like I said, it's just really inexpensive. And once again, make sure you use it. There's a link below where you can order it. Usually it's in there within a couple days. If you have any questions, please email me about anything, okay? All right, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so what we're going to do is that I'm going to lay on this block. So you're laying on the ground, maybe on a harder surface. You're going to lay down, place it in the middle of your neck, okay? And you can see it's kind of in the middle of my neck, and I'm just relaxing here, and I can feel some pressure. Actually feels like a nice stretch. And once again, you want to use this for 10 minutes a day to make those great changes, okay? So obviously, if you can do this in a quiet place, try to keep it away from animals because they like to kind of eat at this foam. All right? Very good.